coming in for Lori. Has the need for mental health care increased during this pandemic? I bet you that's an easy question for you.
Yeah, it really is. I've seen some trends. I've been communicating with different organizations, behavioral health and other partnering organizations, and we're seeing similar trends. When the social distancing first was put in place, we were seeing a lot of decline in clientele, in phone calls with people wanting mental health or seeking mental health. But as the weeks have progressed, we're slowly coming back in numbers, and people are reaching out now. I think initially people were afraid to use technology in some circumstances. They were choosing to be responsible, maintaining that social distance, which is what they should have been doing. And there was a lack of finances. So people are finally realizing, okay, I can do this technology. Organizations are reducing prices and costs for people seeking mental health services so that people can maintain that mental health, which is what we're doing at Anew Day as well. We've reduced our costs and we offer free counseling as well.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, so that said, and that's awesome, people under this pandemic, they've lost jobs, they're not feeling well, they are really stressed. So what do you tell people who, I mean, it's like they can't pay the bills. What could be more stressful than this time for people?
Yeah, it's an unprecedented time for all of us. I would tell you that mental well-being as is as important as your physical well-being. We're all very focused on not getting the virus. We want to stay healthy. We're all isolating ourselves, but mental well-being is equally important as physical well-being. So people can not put their mental health on the back burner. We have to continue in our mental health regimen, whatever that is for people.
Well, that leads me to the next text coming in for Lori. Is, you're going about your business dealing with your own stress, but then you got to watch out for your loved ones or your friends. What are some of the warning signs that this is something more than just having a bad day?
Yeah, it's always important to ask questions. If you're living with someone and you're noticing a decline in their behaviors or in their emotions, don't be afraid to talk to them. Ask questions. Ask them what's going on with you, or how are you feeling? What's going on? Just be there for them. Be a listening ear. Love on them. Support them. They just need to know that they're important. And when someone is emotionally dealing with things that perhaps they've been dealing with prior to the coronavirus, now the coronavirus has simply exacerbated their situation or exacerbated their issues that they've been trying to cope with. Just be a source of support for them. And reach out for help if necessary. Reach out for help. There are
Yeah.
hotlines you can call. There are people out there to help.
Okay, Lori, that's good stuff. Thank you for joining.